Alright, so last time I was out here, I had torn up the clutch, slipper clutch. So just out here giving it a test run. Threw on some old E-Revo tires. I've replaced, let's see, the front bulkhead was cracked, had a drive shaft bent, front and rear diffs were taken out and rebuilt. Checked all that. Took apart the electric motor. Did some contact cleaner on it. Replaced the slipper clutch. And probably a bunch of other things. But just out here to give it its first test. Got a couple 2S batteries in there. And little extra battery for the Game Changer fans. Don't plan on needing it, but just to be safe. So I'm just going to see how it runs. Nothing too crazy. First run since I replaced all those things. Give it a heavy pull on the trigger. Doing pretty good. I'll put my big tires back on here in a little bit. Get over there in the grass and see if I hear the slipper. Pretty good. Did 30,000 diff in the front, 50,000 in the rear. I like it. Seems to be tracking pretty good, as best as I can tell on the gravel. Oh yeah, we're back in business. That's a good thing. So, out here enjoying the scenery I get to appreciate. Not a bad place to run my trucks. And hey there, Trey saying have a good day, have some fun, get out there, do some RCing, break something, fix it, and do it all over again. I didn't like that one. Let's do it again. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Good bite. That's what I'm talking about. Rinse, repeat. Do it again. Have some fun. All right. My wife needs some WD-40 up at the house, so let's take some WD-40 up at the house. One way to stay fit is live on the side of a hill with the shed down at the bottom and house up at the top. Let's do a break-in run. I think it's doing good. Don't want to overdo it. But just sharing some of the, let's see if I can do this gently. There we go. Some of the joys of where I get to live. Not always this way, but I'm enjoying it. Nice little field out there. Eventually maybe a track. Alright, WD-40 has been delivered. Try not to lose the car while not losing my footing. Nothing special, just walking down the driveway. Get a few steps in, get hurried up a little bit, get outside. All right, eat gravel. That setup. I said 50,000 diff in the back, and I did 30 up front. I've got a couple more that I was hopefully waiting on some parts for. They're supposed to be in the mailbox today, but we're not. But I'll have 2 backup diffs for this guy that I put. I did them both the same. I did about 80% 30,000 weight, and I did 20% 50,000 weight to just play with different setups. I do believe it's ready for my 3S packs. Maybe in a couple days at the office. Let's do a little bit of on-road. That passenger front tire looks a little bit wonky. It's an old trash set of tires I just stuck on here to make sure it was tracking all right. Oh well. All right, another day, another test. Building back up after the breakdown and rebuild. So we've got the big tires back on there, still running only on 2S with the game changer fans. Successfully passed the previous test with the normal E-Revo tires, but now let's see what it looks like with this beast going. I think we're in business. Yes, we are. Yep, I'm liking that 50K and the diff. In the rear, got the 30 up front and 50 in the back. It's giving me the wheelies I like. A little bit of my very fortunate view. Nice day to get out and do some RCing. Haha. It does require me to get a little softer into the trigger once I'm on grass. I have to roll in a little easier than just that, but I'll take it. Ow, rock hit my finger. Guess it's better than the camera. Might as well hit the cameraman. Yes. Driver error. The plane distracted me. No, driver error. Oh well. Alright, let's check it out. Like I said, just on 2S, stock everything just about but the tires. Still running the original transmitter. Man, driver error today is horrible. Be right back. Oh, little bit different handling than I'm used to, so take me a little time to get used to the new diff fluids, but I am overall happy. So yeah, like I said, 50K in the back, 30K in the front. I guess I like doing a lot of the gravel. The yard guy, aka me, got a little bit of a path mode around the field. Makes it a little bit easier to navigate and at least see the snakes hopefully before the snake sees me. Definitely makes it a whole lot easier for the RC not to get tied up in the weeds, but long travel works well out here. Not the flags. Home of the future playset. Maybe a couple more weeks. Uh-oh. I see a problem. What did I do? We've got broken. Broke one of those off. And that's all right. That is why we're out here with the 2S with the new tires. Found the weak spot. Take it back inside, fix it up, and get her going again. All right, folks, get out there, break something, rinse, repeat. Made me smile. Have a great day. And we'll carry you back home.